psychology is a universal. If you want to study about the Buddhist science, doesn't mean that you have to be a Buddhism. Kisi kira namegi tadu blogjo cheda direji kira cheda Buddhism chego en dao the universal sui chena degrees. These are the true Buddhist religion. So Buddhist religion is only business for Buddhism. Buddhist religion. Religion Chamba ninja ladies, now we send on Ribata to Kaman and Tamora. Didn't you that Miss Mochi color? Then I made sure the sheep to the sheep to her, and children of Madame were in the dollar. Dina could James Sugar. The children that children lady, a religion based. Now big religion jar, children of Madame were like to not do that. They were a bomb to do, and it's me confusion Laura to go be a shower. Church in the true Madame, church in Navichuna, you do initiative, Kadere Elijah. Dini Yoda, Dini and Joyoda. I do in the thick temperature, Dini John Suyo. And I was a swear the Carol. Legion like the Inchi the Carol, faith like based the faith culture. Was it Teva dear? Mazu Namchu ki Teva the Renew. Karlana Chick the Mazu Injitsi Kadulana faith that is supported by wisdom and intelligence. Chick her faith rod that Injitsi Kadulan blind faith. Kola wisdom the Dirikaya. So Mazu Namba Zambuli Yoga the true like she to Kara. Surrender to God like that. Surrender to God Lana Kara. Cat or Mitsuni. So sweet. Control the temperature or Then somebody true, let the Karikishi or Tevakishi. Teva now on it, how the devil shoots in Chawara. Mazumone like the Fury, it's a movie like that. Surrender to God like that. But even the Kasanga World Religious Summit, like Sangadara, cannot control that. Listener cannot. She need to control that. Surrender Chema to Isa. Mazu Tanaki to near our home. The love feel sure I will do. The Mazu dishes of the bad lodge. Teva so Maris, Teva Boris Chernava. The Teva dear, so the share of the Jab. Also, Teva not so much. The Dana John is the religion. You can practice, you can teach or practice like compassion, love, without touching to the religious matters. Religious matter, you can introduce the practice of compassion and love to your students, to the entire world. And compassion and love is a universal. Whether you are believing to the religion or not, whether you are following to any particular religion or not, meditation is universal. Even you are not following to any particular religion, you can do meditation. Meditation is universal. It doesn't belong to the Hindu. It doesn't belong to the Buddhism. So, beyond religion, should the child in the Pesha? Chasola, Chugoresa, and Digala Kargor, gradient Shenda, Ra, Kargor Chapati, Oma, Mangu Gora, Raya. Then she never Chachara. 추로 라이드 잘했어. 잠바다 세워 인지 라이드 추르스. 추면아 자차야 거래도 말아야. 자기 싸워도 추로야. 레마레 어디 있어? 추로 라이드 추가를 추구한 네가 오마루 있다. 진일루 잡아들이는 소시하게 있어. 제가 정말 음식 가르쳐 그래. Without religion, you can survive. 주로 매와 있나요? 그냥 소통. 잠바다 세워면은 그냥 소통 말이었어. 잠바다 세워라야죠. Without love and compassion, you cannot survive. So love and compassion is a universal. 진짜 상주의 싸워도 걸 두고들라 잠바다 인지를 두고, 대난 인지 compassion을 두고 있어요. 진짜 댕두기 로브다 나노라 아니 modern education 빼하고도 이거 왜 responded 네가 밀미스 자고도 only modern education is not sufficient 근데 시디 표현하는 가디네 now it is a time 근데 we need to add something on modern education 이 가래래라도 이 군대기 가래. Indian classical knowledge. 이 가래라도 meditation. the practice of love, compassion, and you have to introduce this without touching to any religious matter. 다 나를 죽이면 미치다. 얘 배설에 죽어다. 아나 뭐 가르쳐 나오게 라지 쪽으로야.